Welcome to the ASRJC Alumni Portal, a proposed student project for a dynamic platform designed to unite past and present students of Anderson Serangoon Junior College. This portal not only celebrates the achievements of our alumni, but also inspires current students to strive for excellence in all their endeavors. Let's start with our homepage. Here, you'll find a vibrant gallery that scrolls every 7 seconds, highlighting the diverse and engaging activities within our alumni community. For those who prefer control, manual navigation buttons allow you to browse through these images at your own pace. Next, take a peek at our upcoming events, conveniently listed right on the main page. Want more? Simply click through to our dedicated events page for the full calendar. Just below on the homepage, our newsfeed proudly displays the latest accomplishments from our alumni, continually inspiring our community. Curious about more alumni news? Our extended newsfeed provides a wealth of information about alumni accomplishments, keeping you well informed and engaged with alumni affairs. Our alumni directory is more than just a list. It's a bridge to new connections. Notice the collaborate button beside each listed member. They are open to collaboration. This is the gateway to initiate meaningful projects or discussions, directly connecting you with potential collaborators. Watch how simple it is to send a collaboration request. With a simple click of the button, a form is shown that allows the requester to fill in key details for the collaboration. Let me demonstrate. Click the submit request and a confirmation of successful submission can be seen. Once submitted, the requested person will receive confirmation, which we can see later in the profile page of the requested member. This ensures seamless communication between the parties. All interactions are updated in real time on the profile page. Joining is easy. Click the registration or login button at any point of the portal. For new users, click the register link in this form and you'll be presented with the registration form to fill up your details. Your personal profile page is the core of your portal experience. Update your details including your graduation date from the drop-down calendar. Enter your contributions and set your preferences for collaboration. Once done, click Update Profile and a dialog box will show that the update is successful. Need to update your password? Our secure process ensures your information remains protected every step of the way. Click the Change Password button and you'll be presented with the Change Password form where you have to enter your current password and the new password. Take note that the new password and confirm new password fields must match. Let's try the case that they don't match. Enter your current password and new password. The system will check that the new password and confirm new password fields are matching. If it does not, then a message is shown that the passwords are not matching. Let's change them to match. As you can see, the current password is wrong. Hence, a dialog box will show that the password is not valid. Now, let's change it to the correct current password and this will then be successful. This demonstrates the aspect of authentication to ensure that the right person can change the security settings. Below this form, we can see the collaboration request that has come in for the alumni. As you can see, there are several requests for Emily Robert, which captures the requester's name, contact number, email, description of request, and the date of request. It is up to Emily to contact them either by email or contact number to continue the collaboration. Every successful connection starts with a single request. On your profile page, you can review all collaboration requests you have received, detailed with names, contact information, and nature of the request, making it easy to manage and respond. For the alumni that have already registered, you can just enter their credentials on this login form, and they can see their profile page as per what was shown previously. The ASRJC Alumni portal is more than a directory. It's a gateway to rekindling old ties and forging new ones, all while celebrating our shared heritage and achievements. Explore, connect, and contribute to the legacy of ASRJC today through this proposed ASRJC Alumni portal.